Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I looked into a couple different apps that have different sounds that are supposed to be relaxing or help you fall asleep or kind of calm studying sounds. And there's a couple apps that I wanted to share with you guys that I looked into. One is called Sleepo, another one is called Relax Melodies, and then there's another one called Atmosphere and Relaxio. So let's get into it. So this is the first one I looked into, and it's very simple in design. It has a couple different sounds that it makes, and the sounds sound pretty good, pretty real, and very simple. I like this one. Just you're kind of limited to the different sounds it makes, but if you're looking for something simple, this would work for you, and it's pretty easy to use, pretty simple to use. And this one is called Relaxio. So let's look at a different one here. Another one I looked into was called Atmosphere, and it has a lot of choices with all kinds of different sounds here. As you can see, it has a lot of different nature sounds and a lot to choose from. See me scrolling here through all the different. Let me minimize myself there. Yeah, so it has like the traffic and wind and waves and rain. You can play a guitar, you can do a lot of different things. This was nice, but it's a lot of different sounds, and the layout of it is very, the colors aren't very calming and soothing. There's a lot going on in the picture. If you're just getting something for usability, this has a lot of options for you. So yeah, that's the app called Atmosphere. So the next app, let's check out the next app here. So there's an app called Relax Melodies, and this one has a ton of different sounds too, and you can combine different sounds, and all the apps allow you to combine different sounds and stuff. So as you can see here, there's a lot, and there's also additional things you can buy on here. Like right here, you can see that it says Pro above the squares. Yeah, definitely a lot of different things. Has like meditation stuff that it'll kind of speak and tell you different how help you kind of fall asleep and relax. Yeah, definitely a lot of different things, but I still feel like there's a lot going on here. And so yeah, that's this app. And then the last app, which I felt like was my favorite, was this app right here, and it's the Sleepo app, and it also has a good bit of choices for you to choose from. It has a couple different categories here, and you can also mix different sounds together. I really liked how it sounded, and one of the things that I liked was that it had a nice piano music. Right here you can play some nice sounding piano music, and so yeah, I really liked how that sounded. And well, let me try to show you an example of it. It might actually cancel out my audio, so let's try it out and see how it works. So yeah, that's it. That's a little sample of the music. And that's my take on it. This app was, out of all of them, was my favorite. And so yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was somewhat helpful, and I hope you guys join me in my next videos that I'll be posting. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching.